How to make money online. Number one, create a digital product that solves a problem. Creating a product that someone wants and needs seems daunting, but we have a free lesson in the description on how you can do this and make money consistently. But the major thing to understand is that as long as you can solve a person's problem, you can make money online, no matter the category or niche, topic, etc. Number two, build and sell software. Right now, there's an insatiable need for useful software. Whether it is an important consumer application, a specialist app to solve a particular niche problem, or even a time-wasting game you can play on your phone, you can create a massively successful business if you build software that helps people. Most of the software and apps you use on a regular basis are made by massive companies or established development studios. But many successful apps, particularly those in the Apple and Google stores, are created and marketed by individuals and small businesses. In fact, independent developers made $20 billion in the App Store in 2016 alone. 3. Start an e-commerce site and sell physical products. Plenty of digital entrepreneurs have created sustainable businesses by either 1. Creating physical products they know people in their niche will love, or 2. Purchasing low-cost goods manufactured in foreign countries, repackaging or combining them with other products and then selling them for higher prices on domestic online marketplaces. Whether you're selling your own new product or reselling other goods, you still have to consider how much stock you're going to carry, how you're going to fund upfront purchasing costs, and whether you're going to store your inventory. Remember, even if you avoid paying rent on a storefront, you still need to store your inventory somewhere. Well, not always. There's another option that's become incredibly popular in the last few years, and is my personal favorite way to operate a product business, and it's called dropshipping. With dropshipping, you're effectively partnering with a manufacturer or wholesaler to sell their products. This way, you don't pay upfront costs to buy inventory, aren't sitting on unsold items taking up expensive warehouse space, and don't have to deal with shipping the products yourself. You simply create your site, fill it with drop shippable products, and drive in customers with almost everything else done for you. Of course, there's a higher price per product and your margins are lower, but you're able to start your online store with a little more than Shopify theme and some hosted images of your products. When a customer makes a purchase, you in turn buy that product from your supplier who then ships it directly to your customer. No inventory, no handling products yourself, no shipping by hand. Sounds pretty amazing. 4. Sell your services. If you have a marketable skill like writing, designing, web development, marketing, project management, or anything else, one of the easiest ways to make sustainable extra money online is to start freelancing. And while freelancing might not be as scalable as some of the other ideas we've spoken about, it's not uncommon for solopreneurs to build healthy six-figure freelance business for themselves. There's plenty of work and clients to be found if you know where to look. To start, you need to know if there's enough demand for your skill to make it worth the effort to go out looking for work. Start by searching for freelance postings on sites like Craigslist or Fiverr. Check out 40inbox.com to master your money, personal finance lessons and courses. Want to make money online? Learn the 4 steps to make money online in the description of this episode.